16 divide 4 gives us 4. Divide 8 divide 4 gives us 2. Finally 4 divide 2 gives us 2. But this answer is not correct, because according to order of operation, first we do parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication or division, finally addition or subtraction. And remember that in multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have worked from left to right. Same applies addition and subtraction. So in this expression, more than division, so first we do 16 divide 4 gives us 4. Then divide 8 divide 4. Here 4 divide 8, 4 upon 8 divide 4. Now 4 cancels to 8 is 1 and 2. So 1 upon 2 divide 4. We follow KCF. K stand for keep, C stand for change, and F stand for flip. It means denominator and numerator. Denominator change into numerator and numerator change into denominator. So 1 upon 2 times 1 upon 4. Here the final answer is 1 upon 8. This is the right answer.